Dreaming of funding but not sure where to start? With a better credit score, the doors are wide open. Let's dive into the best ways to get funding after you've cleaned up your credit. First stop, personal loans. Head over to your local bank or credit union. With your shiny credit, you might just snag a loan with killer terms. Next up, why not grab a new credit card? Look for ones with sweet perks like low rates or cash back. It's all about making that credit score work for you. Own a home? Consider a home equity loan or a HELOC. They've got lower interest rates, and hey, your house is doing the heavy lifting as collateral. Feeling tech-savvy? Peer-to-peer lending platforms like LendingClub might be your ticket. Clean credit, better rates. Don't forget about online lenders. They're quick, they're easy, and they love seeing good credit. Ready to boost your business? Look into small business loans. Improved credit is a gold star in your application. Need just a little cash? Microloans are perfect, especially from community lenders. And hey, don't shy away from friends, family, or even crowdfunding. With a solid plan, you're not just asking for money, you're offering a smart investment. Remember, your improved credit isn't just a number. It's a key to unlock funding and leap towards your business goals. Use it wisely.